Hey DJ Tech Tools, today we're talking mobile DJing, in particular how piecing together a simpler, well-organized, plug-and-play DJ setup versus your club rig will help your setup look clean, professional, and save time during load-in and setup at your next mobile gig. Alright, for comparison, I wanted to start off with setting up my actual club gig. This is what I would do to set up a club set that I'm gonna do. It's actually a completely different setup, and hopefully we can see why this isn't maybe your best option for the mobile environment. So let's do a quick time lapse. So there you go. That's a lot of stuff. You know, it's a little messy of cables kind of hanging out. You know, I just got my wired mic. You know, this is definitely a club setup. I'm actually one turntable short here, but this may just be too much. So let's use some movie magic. So now in the mobile environment, this is basically it. I will go ahead and set this up for you as well. All right, and that's it, I'm done. Now you may argue that this is way too simple of a setup. However, when you're in a rush and you have to get to storage really fast, grab all your gear and rush off to the venue to set up, you know when you grab this case that everything you need is in its place. And then once you get to the venue, it only takes a few seconds, set everything up. It looks nice and neat, organized and professional. And that leaves you time to worry about everything else that you're gonna have to set up, like setting the PA system up, setting up any lighting, as well as laying cable down, taping that stuff down so it's safe and looks neat, because now we have to worry about a whole slew of other things that we didn't have to necessarily worry about when we were doing just club gigs. Just so you can see what I keep in my kit, it's actually not a lot, it's just cables are neatly organized. I use a super compact mixer. This is where I route my microphones, and I actually send my main out, so that way the controller isn't managing that, and I get a little bit more gain out of this. And then my wireless microphone is in here, and then I just have a simple power strip that everything gets plugged into. I even plug in my laptop here. So for things like your piecemeal equipment, like cables, extension cords, power cables, what I did is I went to my local hardware store, grabbed one of these rolling totes, they're super tough, and put all those things in here and organized them. This really helps make everything super organized, and it really helps save time again. Keeps everything in one place, so that way at the end of the night I know where everything goes, and I'm not worried about forgetting anything the next time I go to set up. So there you have it. This mobile DJing series will be ongoing here on DJ Tech Tools. We'll be covering simple topics like this, also some more complex ones, as well as some business related ones, which I'm sure all of you will appreciate. We also put some links in the description area down below with all the equipment that I personally use, as well as some other equipment that are great for working mobile events. If you have any specific questions or future videos you'd like to see related to mobile DJing, leave a comment in the comment section below. For more tips, tricks, and reviews like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, or you can follow us on the web at djtechtools.com. I'm Angel. We'll see you next time.